Hello everyone, this is lecture number 9 of mathematics for class 5. Today we will study about addition, subtraction, multiplication and division of large numbers. Actually we have already studied about all these things for the small numbers. Here we will study for the large number. Very first we will do question on addition of large numbers. Let us have an example which have number. There are two numbers. One number is 7 6 5 4 2 8 0 9 7. Another number is, we will write from the right hand side, 3 9 8 6 5 3 9 8. We have to add both of these numbers. Now how we will add? We start from the right hand side. On this side, 7 plus 3 is equal to 10. We will write 0 here and 1 here. 9 9 18, 18 and 1 19. We will write 9 here and 1 here. 8 and 1 9. 8 and 6 14. 4. We will write 1 here. 2 1 3 or 5 8. 8. 4 or 3 7. 5 and 9 14. 4 here and 1 here. 6 plus 1 7 or 8 15. We will write 5 here and 1 here. 7 plus 1 8. This is the answer. This is the same as we have did for the small numbers. You can do all the questions for the large number just like this question. And now we will do subtraction of large numbers. The number is 4 4 7 1 4 7 9 0 7. Another number is 8 9 6 8 1 5 6 and 3. Minus. We have to subtract all these two numbers. How we will subtract? We will subtract from the right hand side. 7 minus 8. 7 is smaller than 8. So we will take a borrow from 0. Then 0 is very less number. So we will take borrow from 9 and 0 will become 10, and we will take one borrow from the 10, then 0 will become 9 and 7 will become 17. So 17 minus 8 is equal to 9. Now it is 9. 9 minus 9 is equal to 0. Now it is 8. 8 minus 6 2. And this is 7. Again we will take borrow 17. 17 minus 8 9. It is 3. 3 minus 1 2, it is 1, we will take borrow from 7. Now it is 11, and 11 minus 5 is equal to 6. This is 6, 6 minus 6 is equal to 0. This is 4, we will take borrow from this 4, it will become 14, and 14 minus 3 is equal to 9, and this is 3 and 3. This is the answer for the large number. The process is same, just like as small numbers. We can do many questions on the basis of this question. And now, very important, multiplication. Multiplication for large numbers. We have some property of multiplications. Let us have n multiplication. 4 5 are 20. Then 4 is multiplier, 5 is multiplicand, and 20 is the product. 20 is the product. On the basis of this and many other basic rules, we will do question. And some other basic rule is, if 4 into 5 is always equal to 5 into 4. Okay. Another, if 218 is multiplied by 1 and is equal to 1 by 218. Another, if 2 into 5 into 9 always equal to 2 into 5 into 9. And 4, 218 into 0 is equal to 0. And 6, 218 into 1 equals 218. Okay. Let us have some another exercise. If we multiply any number with 10, so put this number here, 218, and put this 0 on the right hand side. टू वन एट 100 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे. इफ़ वी मल्टीप्लाई बाय 100, then put 218 with 2 zeros. In the same way, we can do multiplication. Let us do a multiplication for large numbers. Let us have an example. Example is 3, 2, 8, 9, 3 and 975. How we will do the multiplication? Very simply, first we will start from the right hand side. First we will multiply 5 with 3, with 9, with 8 and with 2 and 3, and then same as for the 7 and 9. 7 and 9. Now start for number 5. 5 3 ja 15, put 5 here and 1 here. 5 9 ja 45 plus 1 46, put 6 here and 4 here. 5 8 ja 40 and plus 4 plus with this 4 44 and 4 again here. 5 2 ja 10 and plus 4 14, put 4 here and 1 here. 5 3 ja 15 and 1 16, put a 0 here or put a cross here. It is up to you which is convenient for you according to your school method. We can put 0 or we can put 0 here or a cross here. And now start the same exercise for the 7, and we will get 1 5 2 0 3 2. And for this number 9 number, I put one cross here and one another cross here and do the multiplication with 3. It will become 7 3 0 6 9 and 2, and add all these 3 lines. 5 7 6 0 7 0 2 and 3. 5 5 7 6 plus 1 7, 6 plus 1 7, 4 plus 5 9 plus 7 16, 6 1 go to here. 4 plus 1 5, 6 7 8 9 10 0 and put 1 here. Similarly 6 1 7, 3 plus 1 4 10, 1 here. 9 10 11 12 or 2 plus 1 3 here. So this is the answer for the multiplication. You can do same questions for the large number multiplication. Now let us do some basic rules of division. Division of large numbers. Division for the large numbers. Let us have an example. If we divide 25 by 5, 26, let us divide 26 by 5. 5 5 ja 25 and 1 here. This is remainder. This is quotient. This is divisor and this is dividend. This is dividend. This is dividend. Let us do some basic rules. First, x divided by x is equal to 1. just like as if we divide 25 by 25, we will get one answer. If we divide 0 divided by x with any number, we will get 0. Second, means if we divide 0 by 25, then we will get 0. Third, if we divide x by 1 is equal to, we will get x. It means if we divide 25 by 1, then we will get 25. Fourth, if any number is divided by 0, then answer is not permitted. This division is not permitted. This division is not possible. Okay. Another, if we divide 296 by 10, then answer will be, put a point here after one number here, then 29 is quotient and 6 is remainder. 6 is remainder. And if we divide with 100 any number, 4, 5, 9, 6 divided by 100, answer will be, put a point after the 2 digit because his 100 has 2 zeros, then 45.96. answer will be 49. 45 will be quotient and 96 will be remainder. All these are basic rules of division of the numbers. It may be a small number or it may be large number. Let us have a question for the division. If we divide this number by 16, 5 7 9 6 9 8. First take these two number and these two number and now multiply 16 by the, take the table of 16 for 2 divide 57. We know 16 4 ja 64. 16 4 ja 64. 64 is greater than 57. So we will divide it 16 3 ja 16 3 ja 48. So sorry, 16 3 ja 48 minus, put minus here, 9. 17 minus 8 is equal to 9. Take this 9 here, 99. And now read the table of 16 to divide 99. How we will divide it? It will be divided by 16 6 ja 16 6 ja 96 minus 3. Take 6 here, 36. 16 2 ja 32 minus, it will become 4 and put this 9 here, 49. 16 3 ja 48. Take minus 8 1 and put this 8 here. 18 16 1 ja 16 2. So answer will be 3 6 2 3 1 R 2. R means remainder is 2 and this is the quotient. Okay, then complete answer is 3 6 2 3 1 R2. Let us revise what we did today. We studied here addition for the large numbers. We solved a question for the large numbers for the addition. This is for the addition, and this is for the subtraction of the large number. We have solved the question for the large number subtraction, and then multiplication for the large numbers. We studied here for the basic rule of the multiplication for the small numbers as well as for the large numbers. The same here. All these are some basic rules for multiplication. We did a question here for the multiplication, and it is the addition, and then we studied about the division for the large numbers. Here are the basic rules for the division of the large numbers, and then we did an example for the large number. You should do same questions, some questions from your book, new mathematics book, or any CBSE or ICSE book. Do questions. If you feel any problem, if you have any doubt, you may ask me in the comment box. Please share, subscribe my channel, and press the bell icon. Okay.